I'm going to show you our large format exposure metering system. What you get with this is a handheld meter unit, batteries for the meter, an instruction book, a digital sensor probe, a metering frame. This carries the sensor and slots into the back of the camera in place of the film holder. It comes with 4x5 as standard. We also have 5x7 and 8x10 available. Other sizes to special order. To use the meter, we insert the sensor probe, noting the lens side and the ground glass side marked on it, into the frame, insert that into the camera in place of the film holder. We can move the sensor around the image. We connect it to the meter and switch it on. Set an exposure with the up-down keys. The bar graph display shows the expected negative intensity as you move the sensor around the image. Each position on the bar graph represents one stop. For greater resolution, press the zoom function and each position represents 1/3 of a stop. We can store up to 2 measurements while measuring a third. We can use this to store a shadow and a highlight position. To store it, press the hold button and the display bar changes to show the store. As we move the sensor around, we see the store staying where it is. We can also store a second one. We'll notice that as we change the exposure, the expected intensity of the negative at the 2 store positions is recalculated accordingly. To clear the store, we just press the button again and it's cleared, and we can store it again by pressing again. We can automatically center our image brightness range. Press and hold the set key. The exposure indication starts blinking. As we move the sensor around the image, the meter continuously recalculates the high and low points. These are indicated with the 1 and 2 hold positions marked on the bar graph display. All the time, it keeps adjusting the exposure to center that range on the image. Press and hold the set key to exit. And now we can make our own manual adjustments as we desire. It can be difficult to read the meter when you're taking a measurement, so we have a measurement freeze function here. Press the hold button on the sensor and it locks the measurement on the meter, indicated by the cursor changing to a open square. We can set the film speed anywhere from ISO 1 to ISO 8000. Press the set key, the cursor moves to the film speed position, and we set the film speed that we wish with the up-down keys. Press the set key again and we can set reciprocity compensation. There it's set to off. We can set it with the up-down keys and then press set again to exit.